Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming your exact GPU model and current Windows 11 build. This prevents incompatible installs. Once done, make a quick system restore point so you can roll back if needed. Next, go to the GPU maker's official download page and grab the latest driver package that matches your model and OS. Don't use third-party sites. You want the official installer for stability. With the file downloaded, keep the installer ready and close heavy apps to avoid conflicts during installation. You should run the downloaded installer as administrator to ensure full access. When the installer presents options, choose Custom or Advanced, then pick Clean Install so old driver remnants are removed. This reduces driver conflict. The installer will copy files, apply settings, and may update firmware or Vulkan components. That's normal. Make sure to follow on-screen prompts, and when it requests a reboot, allow it immediately. After reboot, Windows will finalize driver registration. Check Device Manager for the new driver version to confirm success. You finish by verifying the install. Open Device Manager and your GPU control panel to confirm the driver version, and that features like refresh rates or hardware acceleration work. If you encounter crashes, artifacting, or no display, boot to safe mode and use Display Driver Uninstaller to remove all traces, then reinstall the official package. Make sure to test after each change. If nothing fixes it, roll back the driver through Device Manager or use the restore point you created earlier to return to a stable state.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.